Hey guys, it's Scott Slade Hollenbeck from USAirsoft, and I'm bringing you the last bit of Chernobyl's Operation Blood Money. Now this is actually a short video, but I know you guys would have loved it either way. If you like these short videos, let us know in the comments, but if you like the longer videos, also do the same. But for now, just enjoy this gameplay.
Watch the guy on the left. They got too much cover. Way too high. Yeah, he had to call a medic. Whatever, dude. Pop this dude in the face. Oh, he wants to go full auto.
Well, that's the end of this video, but remember, you can always click on one of these other videos seen here to see more gameplay right now. And if you haven't subscribed already, then how about you subscribe now, like a sir? And remember guys, I'll see you guys next time.